Buttons are an important part of many human-machine interfaces. To create a button, open the appropriate GFX file. For this demonstration, we will begin by using the Drawing tool to create two rectangles to add depth to our graphic. The second rectangle will be slightly offset from the first to add a shadow effect. We then select the Button Drawing tool and draw the first button on the second rectangle. When the button is drawn, the Button Configuration dialog box will open. Choose the style of the button. Then click on the Action tab. On the Actions dialog, we will choose Momentary On. The tag name browser can then be opened. Select the proper tag from the list of existing tags. Then click on the Up Appearance tab. In this case, we will label the button Start and choose a font color of white with a size of 18, bold. We will then select a fill color of green. The process is repeated for the Stop button. Finally, we will select all of the elements that we have drawn and group them together. Then, click the Test Run button and test the operation of the buttons. This demonstration illustrates several points, including screen navigation, starting alarm monitoring, and stopping alarm monitoring. A separate screen has been created to contain the alarm information, and 3 buttons have been placed on the main screen. The bottom button allows you to navigate to the alarm screen. The center button will disable alarm monitoring, and the top button will enable alarm monitoring. The Command Run Command option is used with all 3 of these buttons. Watch as each command is found in the command wizard. When the alarm screen is opened, choose the Alarm Summary tool from the toolbox and draw a large box on the screen. Once the box is drawn, the menu changes. Open the Insert menu option to choose the appropriate items to display in the alarm summary. When the project is placed in the run mode and the alarm tag is activated, note that the items displayed relate to that specific tag. When the alarm is acknowledged, it will disappear from the summary. It is important to remember, however, that a database entry has been made, logging this alarm for future reference. DDE, or Dynamic Data Exchange, is an inter-process communication specification that is built into the Microsoft Windows operating systems. DDE allows Windows applications that support DDE to exchange data between themselves. All of the communication occurs within the Windows operating environment, virtually transparent to you, the user. It uses very simple communication instructions. Dynamic data exchange can be compared to a conversation between Generally, it is impossible for the user to control the data format used in the DDE transfer. It is also transparent to the user. The exception to this is the significant difference in speed between CF text format and Excel table format. Microsoft has implemented both of these formats. CF text is the simplest to implement. All DDE compliant applications should be capable of understanding this format. CF text is the slower of the two. It can be thought of as an ASCII transfer, with each data item being a single message. Excel table is only available in Excel. This format blocks the data into a table, so many items are transferred in a single message. There is one more format, Fast DDE. This is a proprietary format used by Wonderware. Fast DDE is faster than Excel table, but it does not perform any error checking. RSLinks is capable of using any of the formats discussed above. When a DDE channel is established, a handshaking of sorts takes place that automatically establishes the data format to be used. The fastest format that both the client and the server can use is established.